Welcome to Rivers and Coffee. This morning we're at the Mount Minnie Nature Preserve. This is a Grand Traverse Regional Land Conservancy property. It's about 60 acres or so in size. It's absolutely beautiful. They opened it up last year, but they just recently added a trail, which we're going to go check out today. The property's in northwest Michigan. It's by the Sleeping Bear Dunes, and it sits between Platte Lake and Little Platte Lake. Again, it's absolutely beautiful. Yesterday when I was out playing in the woods, I got a couple of ticks on me. So remember, when you're outside playing, put on your bug repellent. It's important. Okay, let me show you on the map where we're at here. So that's the trail that they had in last year, and then this is the new one that they just added. It's about 1/3 of a mile. It goes out to Little Platte Lake. And so here the two lakes are right here, and the piece of property kind of sits in between there. Looks like there's a couple of hitchhikers here. I think one of them's a mayfly. I'm not sure what the other one is. If you know, leave a comment below. I'd appreciate that. And remember, when you're out visiting these natural areas, they are very fragile, so it's important that we stay on the trails. It's a real privilege for us to be able to visit these areas. Okay, let's go hit the trail and check out the lake. Well, this is even nicer than I thought it was going to be. It's absolutely beautiful. What a gorgeous spot. It's about 65 degrees out. Beautiful. Hats off to the Grand Traverse Regional Land Conservancy for giving us the opportunity to visit places like this. The only thing I think that would make this a little nicer is a hot cup of coffee. Let's see what we can do about that. Oh, that's great. Okay, I'm all cleaned up and I'm ready to slip on out of here. Remember, please leave no trace. What a beautiful morning. I met a couple of really nice people out here this morning, had a great cup of coffee, and enjoyed it with this beautiful view. I truly am blessed. It's funny how nature really puts a smile on everybody's face. We all need a little nature. Remember, take some time for yourself, get outside, find a little peace. Everybody deserves a little peace in their life. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I'd greatly appreciate it. Until next time, Rivers and Coffee, stay in peace.